Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Changkuoth Nyak. In today's top story, South Sudan government deny report of Palestinian resettlement plan. The government of South Sudan has strongly denied the recent media claims suggesting it is in talk with Israel to resettle Palestinians from Gaza in South Sudan. In a statement issued on Wednesday, August 13, the Minister of Foreign Affairs called the allegation baseless and stressed that they do not reflect the official position or policy of the Republic of South Sudan. The minister urged media houses to verify the information through official channel before publication, warning against the spread of unconfirmed report that could cause public concern. The denial came after a report by the Associated Press cited 6 unnamed individual claim discussions were taking place between Israel and South Sudan over the relocation of Palestinians from Gaza. According to AP, the scale and detail of these alleged talks remain unclear, but the proposal would involve moving people from a region devastated by ongoing conflict to a country still recovering from its own civil war. A civil society called for transparency. Edmund Yakani, Executive Director of the Community Empowerment for Progress organization, welcomed the government's quick response but emphasized the need for transparency. I welcome and appreciate the official statement from our Minister of Foreign Affairs. Yakani said, "This is the kind of openness we ask for. Our land should not be open for any settlement without a clear, transparent and agreed arrangement approved by the parliament." Yakani also said that on moral ground, South Sudan should stand with Palestinians in their struggle for land and identity, and not to take action that could undermine that cause. He further warned that the accepting such a settlement plan could create tension, pointing to historical sensitivities involving Muslim and Arab communities in South Sudan. The AP report follows a recent remark by Israeli Prime Minister Benjamin Netanyahu, who told Israeli TV station I-24 that he supports what he described as the voluntary migration of Gaza population. Netanyahu argued that this would allow Israel to act with full force against remaining enemies in Gaza. While Netanyahu did not mention South Sudan's similar proposal have reportedly been discussed with other African nations. Former U.S. President Donald Trump has previously voiced support for this concept, but Palestinian human rights organizations and many governments worldwide reject such plan. They say it is amount to forced displacement, which is prohibited under international law. The Minister of Foreign Affairs retweeted that no such talk with Israel have taken place, and there are no plans to host Palestinians from Gaza in South Sudan. Officials stressed that the country's focus remains on consolidating peace, improving security, and preparing for national election scheduled for December 2026. Analysts say that given South Sudan's fragile recovery from year of internal conflict, any proposal to host large number of foreign nationals would require careful planning, a strong public support, and parliamentary approval. For now, the government maintains that alleged resettlement discussions are unfolded, but civil society leaders are calling for continuous vigilance and openness in addressing sensitive international issues. Well, this is the information that I have for you. If you are new to my channel and this is your first time, I would like you to help me by subscribing, and do not forget to hit the notification bell. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.